Hello friend. Here we will try to know the filter, how pandas implement means in pandas how we can implement the filters or where clause as well. Right. So for that what we have to do first of all, as from my previous 3 to 4 videos, first we understand how to load the CSV. After that we understand how to manipulate the loaded CSV. Then we understand how we can work with the data frame and what the data frame. Data frame is like something uh, to generate the table, and then how we can implement some manipulation on that table. So these are the things on which we studied earlier. In this, we will do some manipulation as well as we will apply some filters. Or in SQL format, we can say how we can apply the where clause, the manipulated records. So for that, first of all, we need to generate a table, right? So this is the something what we are going to do. This is our table. I creating a I am just going to create a table. Right. So let me remove this thing. We- um, let me create- As you can see, that I already told you many times in my previous video as well, that this is the way we can create a lightweight structure it is. So by this we can create the table. So this is the table. Once we created the table, now we will do some manipulation on that one. To create the table, data frame keyword we can use, and by this we can generate the table. Here few manipulation we are going to do. First manipulation we are going to do is we will we will do once data is which this is the data, we are going to apply group by the department. So we have a department, IT department have two records. So once we will apply the group by, then all the four record will be converted into three record, because IT IT uh, yeah, IT department have a two records. So it will convert Neha and Aman are from IT department, and salary is 500 and 600. So it will be converted into a one record, right? So this is the something we will see here. Let me show you. Yes, you can see four records were there, and once we will apply group by of the department, it is converted only three report, because the distinct department is only three: IT, HR, and finance. So IT department salary we can sum it, and once we will get the average, so it will be 550, because 500 plus 600, it's 1100, and 1100 divided by 2 is the 550. So this is the something average, right? So we can understand how we can apply the group by and how we can get the salary. Now, after that, once we have this one, then we can apply some manipulation of this part. What we are going to do, we are going to do that give the output where salary is greater than 500. Right? So what we will get, what we will see the output. Let me clear all this thing. Oh, yep. Yes, you can see here. First, what happened? We generated the table. Second, we group by the table. Basis of two department is same. Which one is the IT? So IT department is grouped by, and then once we apply that the where clause, salary is greater than 500. So 500 salary you can see in this table. 500 salary is this one and this one, right? Means Neha and Priya. Both are earning more than the 500. So what I am applying? I apply salary is greater than 500, right? So Neha and Priya is coming as a where class, right? Same thing we do in our SQL server as well, right? Here, how we do, I think we understood. But still, if you have any doubts, please comment. I will try to explain you. And thank you for watching.